Hello everyone, welcome back to Tectonic, One Step Endless Solutions. In today's video, we will build a simple calculator using Python right inside Spider IDE, the perfect tool for beginners who is learning Python. This project is great for students and anyone just getting started with coding. This calculator will let users enter two numbers, choose an operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division and get the result. It also handles errors like dividing by zero or entering invalid input. So let's start with our code. Let's start with def calculator bracket colon enter print. This will print the welcome message. Double quotes. Welcome to simple calculator. Enter. Now we'll use the while loop. While true colon enter. Now we'll use the try and except block, that is try colon enter num1 is equals to float. Here float is used for decimal numbers. Float bracket input /n, enter the first number colon enter num2, same statement as we wrote in num1. So float input open bracket again double quotes /n, enter the second number colon. Now we'll print the operation. Operation is equals to input, enter the operation. Basic operations, basic mathematic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, colon enter. Here we'll use the if else statement. If operation is equals to plus result is equals to num1 plus num1 plus num2, enter, print the message, print f double quotes flower bracket num1 colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket, plus again open the flower bracket for num2 colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket, that is equals to again open the flower bracket for result colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket. And we are done with the first statement, that is plus. If the user enters the plus operation, this code will run. Now elif operation, if the user enters the operation minus, this will run. Result is equals to num1 minus num2, enter, print f double quotes num1 colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket, minus num2 colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket, that is equals to open flower bracket again, result colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket. The codes are similar, only the plus and minus sign will change. Okay, enter. Elif operation is equals to multiplication, enter. Result is equals to num1 into num2, enter. Print the message, that is print open bracket f double quotes flower bracket num1 colon dot 2f. Here colon will come dot 2f, close the flower bracket, multiply flower bracket num2 colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket, is equals to again flower bracket for result dot result colon dot 2f, close. We are done with the three cases, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now the third case, that is elif operation is equals to divide colon. Here we'll use the if else case. If here we have used the colon in semicolon instead of colon. Now correct. If num2 is equals to 0 colon, enter. Print will give us error if we divide by 0. Error, division by 0 is not allowed. Enter. Now else colon, enter. Result is equals to num1 divided by num2, the same code which we used here. Num1 divided by num2, enter. Print open bracket double quotes f double quotes flower bracket num1 colon dot 2f, close flower bracket, divide flower bracket num2 colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket, is equals to result colon dot 2f, close the flower bracket. All clear. Enter. Now else colon, make sure of the indentation, enter. Print invalid operator, enter. Okay. Choice is equals to input double quotes slash n. Do you want to continue? Yes or no. Close. Enter. If choice dot lower brackets y in single brackets y colon enter break enter. Now the except block will come under the try block. Except value error except value error colon enter print invalid input. Please enter numeric values. Enter. Again print double quote slash n. Thank you for using the calculator. Yes, we are done with the code. Now we'll run. Enter. Here. Enter. Run the code now using calculator double quotes double brackets. Yeah, this was a program. Now let's see how to run this. Click on the run button. Yeah, it's giving us the welcome message. Enter the first number 2, enter second number 3, the operation you want to perform addition. Yes, we are getting it. Do you want to continue? Yes, enter the first number 2, second number as 0, operation divide, enter. Yeah, it's giving us the error message which we have done here. Do you want to continue? No. And it is showing us the thank you for using the calculator. Thank you message. And that's it. You just build a functional calculator in Python using Spider IDE with clean input handling and formatted output. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tectonic. Thank you.